another video. Today we are gonna be making some slime. This is from the brand Ooozy slime. So let's do it. Let's start making some slime. So we're gonna open it up, and it has a pretty ribbon. Just gonna pull it. Then open. We got some Elmer's glue. This is the slime activator. And we have the things we need for our slime, and it also has instructions. We have some foam balls. These are the last ones. And we have 2 plastic containers for our slime. Now we're going to be opening up this plastic bag to see what's inside. Oh! Why is there a freebie chocolate in here? So let's open it. 2 popsicle sticks. A slime care sheet. That's gonna come in handy. Instructions, of course. We have borax. Ooh, pretty glitter. It's a tube. And of course, we have chocolate. So, I have 2 plastic containers to put my glue in. But I will choose this one. Now let's look at the instructions. It says in the container, add as much white glue as you'd like. Okay, so we're gonna put a lot of white glue in here. Well, maybe half, so we can put half again in our other slime. White glue! There we go. Wow, that's a lot of glue. Half? No. That's my sister talking. She wants to be in the video. Do you, Maya? She'll be in a video next time. So, we're done putting the glue in. It says to put some water inside. So, let's put some water. It should be half of the glue bottle. So let's pour it in. I actually put already glue in the other container because it said here that I need to put half water in my glue bottle. And by the way, my mom is holding the camera while holding my sister, so she's talking because she can see some stuff on the table, so of course. But let's just pour it in. Having fun there? She likes to. I'm done putting water. I have my 2 wooden sticks here and I'm gonna mix them. gonna put the slime activator in. This is gonna turn into slime. Guys, look at it! It's forming slime! Look! Wow! I'm done already putting activator, so I made my slime. This doesn't really look like slime, guys. It's actually like putty, because it's not so stretchy, but it is still so cool. My slime is a little bit hard, so I'm gonna put some lotion. I have some lotion right here. I'm gonna put some on my slime. Oh, it's better. I like this texture now. It's not so sticky, but it's really nice. I like that texture. We're gonna put the glitter and the foam balls. Yay, I'm so excited! So the first one will be, of course, glitter. Which one should I do? Maybe this one. So I'll make a hole here, and I'll put the glitter in. Yeah, I love red glitter. Wow. Oh, look at the glitter! Starting to come out. Oh, look, guys. Oh, wow. There's a lot of glitter there. It's not really seen. Can we get more glitter? I'll just put a little bit on this cup here. There we go. Sparkle. I love glitter! So we need to put a lot of glitter there, because I love glitter. Ooh, bubble! Oh, that is beautiful. I love glitter. It's now glitter putty. Glitter putty. Glitter putty. This one I'm gonna put some foam balls. Yay! Wow. I love foam balls. Wow! They all scatter everywhere. Here are my putty or slime, whatever you want to call it. But luckily, I have some poster paint in the drawer. So, of course, we're going to use that to color our slime. There's six, so I need red. I love red. Wow, this one is really going to look so good. Ooh, that's nice. I like that. Don't tell me this will come out pink. That would be so weird. Put red paint, but it turned out pink. Stand on the table. Oh no. Why oh no? This could always erase, right? So here is my finished product. I have pink slime and green slime. Even though my paint was red, it still turned out as the color pink. But they're still so pretty. I actually like the color of the green one. It looks like a light mint color with red glitter, like Christmas theme. And the pink one is red glitter and pink colored slime. I wanted it to be red slime because there's red glitter in it. But actually, pink slime looks pretty good with the red glitter. And both of them, of course, have foam balls. So, yeah, that's my finished product. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Which slime do you like more, the green one or the pink one?